Fish farming can be very, very tedious. Setting up the fish farm, stocking of the fish, feeding of the fish, changing of the water, harvesting, marketing, all these are laborious and sometimes very boring. And people are worried. But still, entrepreneurs are trying all hard to make money. This tedious work or laborious work, people are worried, but we still want to make money. So if I've been wondering how to make money in the industry, that the fish farm industry, without being a fish farmer or without owning a farm, in this video I'm going to show you some of the equipments that you can start selling or you can be selling to make money in the industry without owning a farm. I have a complete video on 11 ways of making money in the fish farm without owning a farm. You can check that one out. But this one specifically is tailored towards equipment that you can sell. First and foremost, you can sell fish ponds. As you can see behind me, this is a tarpaulin fish pond. You can set up tarpaulin fish ponds and sell to farmers. You can have plastic ponds, you can have glass ponds. We have a lot of fish ponds, including concrete. So setting up fish ponds and selling is one way of making money. For instance, we set up fish farms, but we don't produce the ponds ourselves. We buy from others and set it up. So either you are producing these equipments yourself, or you also buy from producers and resell it to farmers, and you can make money in that. Another way of making money or sell equipment is fish feed. Feed is most crucial thing in fish farming. And you cannot rear fish without feeding them. So every fish farmer buys fish one way or the other. So setting up commercial fish feed is very important. Like I said, you can resell from suppliers or from producers, or you produce it yourself. That's another way of making money. Another way of making money is you can also sell recirculating aquatic systems. That's RAS. RAS is filtration systems that filters the insoluble particles from the fish ponds, such as the feces, the leftover feed, and others. And that makes the water to be running continuously. And you can reuse that same water to produce fish. And that way is making judicious use of water. So a lot of farmers are now installing these items into their farms. So you can also provide or sell this equipment to your farm. For instance, we also install recycled aquatic system for farmers and we make our money. So that is another way. Another way, which is the fourth one, is the selling of aeration systems. Aeration systems sometimes work with recycled aquatic systems, and it can also work separately. And that is, these systems are adding oxygen into the pond, complementing the natural oxygen. And for that matter, the fish can be in the water and they get adequate oxygen by adding oxygen into them. So this system can also be sold and make money. You can produce it yourself or buy from the producers and resell. The fifth one is water test kits. You can also sell the test kits. These test kits are used to determine the parameters of the fish pond water. If I say the parameters of the fish pond water, we are talking about the pH level, the oxygen level, the nitrogen level, the ammonia level. All these parameters contribute to the growth and betterment of your fish. So each of these parameters has its own right and accurate measurement for the fish. Excessive of them are dangerous, and if they are not also there, they are dangerous. So this test case determines whether these parameters are accurate. So you can provide or sell these services to farmers and they can get it and buy, and you make your money. That's another way. Another way, that is the sixth one, is provision of netting, net and containment. We are talking about predation nets. There are times that predators, they could be bears, they could be snakes. All these, they consume fish. So they descend into the water or into the fish pond and they pick your fish. They consume them, and your fish farmers are losing. So providing services that can serve as barriers to these predators. So when they come, they will not have access to the farm. So farmers are always try to prevent this from their farms so they can buy them from you. So we have the prevention next, we have containment. All these can be sold to farmers and you make your money. The seventh and the last one is harvesting equipment. When a fish farm is started, at the end they will harvest. So, providing the harvesting services or equipment is going to help. For instance, the harvesting nets. Well, the harvesting nets, the most common ones are the scooping nets, which is used to scoop the fish from the pond. I also have the casting net or the dragging net. So the dragging net is used to capture large amount of fish. All these are harvesting equipments. We also have basins or containers that you can harvest the fish in. We also have tanks that can use to transport live fish to destinations. So all these are equipment that you can sell to make profit in your farm. So if you have been wondering, I've given you idea of some of the fish farm equipment that you can sell to make money without owning a fish farm. Or even if you're owning a fish farm and you want to sell or provide these items as well of supplementing your income, is going to help you a lot. Thank you very much for watching. And if you found value in the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let's grow our fish farm together. Watch our next video. Thank you very much.